going to be showing you guys how you guys can add echo effect on TikTok. So echo effect basically echoes your voice, and there's like a voice effect called echo in TikTok, which I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can apply on your videos. So before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't first move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, I'm going to click on the plus button at the bottom of my screen over here. So I'm going to go on the video uploading sector, and I'm going to click a random video over here. So I'm gonna talk in this video. Hello there everybody. So you can make the video however much long you want. Alright, so let's say I want my video this much long. So after you record a video, you can see this effect over here called voice effect at the side of your screen. You can click on voice effect. From over here, scroll at the side until you see echo. Once you see echo over here, you want to click on echo. Once you click on echo, the effect is going to be applied. Once you do that, it's basically done. So my echo effect has been applied on my video over here. Alright, so that's basically how you guys can apply it. Now you can click on next, click on post, and this video will be posted with an echo voice effect. So that's how you guys can add echo on TikTok.